Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. For our market outlook, we think that the market may trade sideways this week with a downward bias. Note that the MSCI rebalancing may weigh in on the market until the end of the month. The resulting changes into a net outflow of $29 million, or about 1.46 billion pesos. We keep a cautious stance on the market. Meanwhile, NCR opened over the weekend, with the government trying to restart the economy following the 2-month-long lockdown. For the PSEI, keep an eye on its major support level at 5,400. For this week, today, the ABS is resuming its trading following a week-long suspension. Meanwhile, for the upcoming IPO, Merrimart is looking to list its shares on June 15. Offer period will start on May 27 to June 5, while pricing will be on May 22nd. In other news, OFW remittances grew 2.5% in February to $2.36 billion, the slowest growth in 10 months, and bringing the year-to-date figure to $5 billion. In our view, the slowdown in February was probably tourism and travel related, given that the travel advisories were already issued as early as January. The full-year forecast has already been downgraded to minus 0.2% to minus 0.8%, from the original target of a 3% growth. Remittances account for about 8.5% of the $350 billion Philippine economy and has been one of the reasons why the peso has remained fairly stable against the US dollar. A drag in remittances may hit consumer spending in the country as it accounts for about 70% of the economy. In other news, acting NEDA Secretary Carl Chua said in a Bloomberg interview that the government is ready to step in and possibly bail out key sectors. He mentioned the potential equity stake of the government key industries. Carl Chua said that the tourism-related industry was badly hit by the impact of COVID-19. This may be a good sign for some listed aviation-related companies such as SEB and PAL, and possibly some hotel players, although there was no official statement on which companies or industries they are targeting to acquire. And that wraps up our daily trading notes. Happy trading and stay safe.